Hi everyone. In the last class, we are seeing 2-machine problem as well as 3-machine problem. In this class, we are going to see 4-machine problem. For 4-machine problem, we have to reduce into 2 machine to find the sequence. After that, the same procedure to find the total elapsed time, ideal time for 4 machines. For 4-machine problem also, we have the Johnson's condition. Johnson's condition for reducing the problem of 4 machines into problem of 2 machines. That condition is the minimum duration of first machine should be greater than or equal to the maximum duration of second machine as well as third machine. Both value will be smaller from the first machine. Similarly, the minimum duration of fourth machine is greater than or equal to the maximum duration of second machine as well as third machine. So for these two conditions, any one of them satisfied means no problem, we have to come with the solution. Here also we have to introduce two imaginary machine G and H. For the processing time for G and H means for G we have to add the time durations for M1, M2, M3. For H means we have to add the durations for M2, M3, M4. Using this we have to find out the sequence. So this sequence only we have to use for the tabular column. So now we have to see one example. The problem is find the total elapsed time and find the ideal time for each machine. For this problem they are given 5 jobs and 4 machines. So you have to apply the Johnson's condition. The Johnson's condition is minimum duration of machine 1 is strictly greater than or equal to maximum duration of machine 2 and machine 3. So minimum duration of machine 1 is 8. Maximum duration of machine 2 is 5. Similarly, machine 3 is 6. So this condition is satisfied. So we have to move with the solution. Now we have to reduce the 4 machines into 2 machines. So here we have to write the jobs. Jobs will be A, B, C, D, E. So we have to introduce two imaginary machine G and machine H. To find the duration, we have to add the durations of M1, M2, M3 for machine G. For machine H, we have to add the duration for 2, 3, 4. So we have to come with the duration. For machine G, we have to add M1, M2, M3. So 10 plus 3 plus 5, 18. 12 plus 2 plus 6 is 20. 8 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. 15 plus 1 plus 7 is 16 plus 7, 23. 16 plus 5 plus 3 is 24. So for machine H, we have to add the durations of M2, M3, M4. 3 plus 5 plus 14, that is 22. 2 plus 6 plus 7 is 15. 4 plus 4 plus 12 is 20. 1 plus 7 plus 8 is 16. 5 plus 3 plus 10 is 18. So for finding the sequence, we have to draw the 5 boxes. So here the minimum duration is 15. So this will be belongs to machine H. So you have to write the right side of the box. So here you have to write B. So this B will be over. The next duration is 16. So here is also 16, here is also 16. So first we have to come with first 16. That will be belongs to machine G. So you should write C for the left hand side. So the next 16 will be belongs to machine H. So you should write D in the right hand side. So both C and D will be over. The next duration is, the minimum duration is 18. That is also for two sides. So from first 18 is belongs to mg, so you should write a here, the remaining will be e here. So your sequencing is C, A, E, D, B. In the next we have to come with the tabular column. For the tabular column, the same procedure: jobs, machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4. So we have to write jobs, machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4. For each and everything you have to write time in and time out. For jobs will be C, A, E, D, B. So we have the sequence like this. Now we have to come with the M1, machine 1. For time in is 0. For machine 1, C job is the processing time is 8. So this will be 8. So time in for A job is 8. This will be duration is 10. So 10 plus 8 is 18. The next time in is 18. For E job the processing is 16. So 16 plus 18 is 34. So time in is 34. For D job the processing time is 15. So 15 plus 34 is 49. So 49 will be time in. For B job the processing time is 12. So 49 plus 12 is 61. Now we have to come with machine 2. For machine 2 the processing time is 8. The time in is 8. The processing time for machine C is 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So here we have to compare 12 and 18, means 18 will be here. The processing time for A is 3. So 3 plus 18 is 21. Again 21 and 34 means 34 is the biggest value. So 34 is here. You have to come with the processing time of E is 5. So 34 plus 5 is 39. So comparing 39 and 49, you should write 49 here. Processing time for D is 1. So 49 plus 1 is 50. So 50 and 61, you have to write 61 here. The processing time for B is 2. So 61 plus 2 is 63. The next will be you have to come with machine 3. For machine 3, time in is time out of machine 2. So 12 is your time in. Processing time for C is 4. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So comparing 16 and 21 here, 21. The processing time for A is 5. So 5 plus 21 is 26. So comparing 26 and 39, 39 will be here. The processing time of E is 3. So 42. So comparing 42 and 50 here, 50. The processing time for D is 7. So 57. So 57 and 63, 63 will be here. The processing time for machine B is 6. So this will be 69. So M4, time in is time out of M3, that is 16. So processing time of C is 12. So 12 plus 16 is 28. So comparing these two, 28 is the biggest value. So you should write here. For next one is duration A is 14. So 28 plus 14 is 42. So both are equal, no problem. So you have to write 42 here. The processing time for E is 10. So that is 52. So 52 and 57 here, 57. For 57, again we have to come with the duration of D is 8. So 57 plus 8 is 65. So 65 and 69 here, 69. For 69 will be here. The next will be the processing time for machine M4 for B job is 7. So 69 plus 7 is 76. So your total elapsed time is 76. The next we have to come with the ideal time for M1, ideal time for M2, similarly M3 and M4. The total processing time for M1 is 61, M2 is 15, M3 is 25, M4 is 51. Using this value we have to find out. So ideal time will be, ideal time for machine 1 is equal to 76 minus 61. that is equal to 15 hours. Idle time for M2 is equal to 76 minus 15, therefore 61 hours. Idle time for M3 is equal to 76 minus 25, that is equal to 51 hours. Next, M4 is equal to 76 minus 51, that is equal to 25 hours. So, this is your final answer. This is similar to 3 machine problem only. If you have any doubt, ask me. I will give one homework sum. So, do properly the homework sums. Every day I will give homework sum. I hope you are all finished every day your sums. Then only it will be clear. Again I will tell you, you should do your homework sum. Then only it will be clear. Thank you.